Smart locks explained. Enhancing home security. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of smart locks. These innovative devices are reshaping how we secure our homes and offer convenience and safety. So, let's dive into understanding what smart locks are and how they work. Smart locks are a type of electronic lock designed for a more advanced level of home security. Unlike traditional locks, they connect to your home Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, allowing you to lock and unlock your door remotely. They often come with features like access logs, temporary keys for guests, and the ability to integrate with home automation systems. Smart locks work by connecting to a smartphone app or a smart home system. You can control the lock through your phone, which communicates with the lock to lock or unlock your door. Many smart locks also have keypads for entering a code, and some still have a keyhole for a physical key as a backup. One of the biggest advantages of smart locks is convenience. Imagine locking your door from your bed or knowing your home is secure while you're away. They also offer enhanced security features like custom access codes and alerts when someone enters your home. Before purchasing a smart lock, consider compatibility with your door and existing home automation systems. Think about the features you need, like remote access or voice control. Also, consider the battery life and what happens in case of a power outage. Most smart locks are easy to install and fit on standard doors. However, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Maintenance usually involves battery replacement and ensuring the software is up to date to protect against security vulnerabilities. We hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand what smart locks are and how they can enhance your home security. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier and safer. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tech insights.